Good morning, everyone. Thanks for being here. So my name is Vera, and I am a PhD student at the Animal Science program. I'm here today to talk to you about how can we use big data to feed the world. So the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations predict that the human population is going to increase by 30% in 2050. Well, agriculture is now left with the task of scaling up in order to guarantee access to safe and nutritious food to all human beings in the face of Earth. It is specifically hard to do that because we want to do that in a way that decreases the environmental footprint, that considers animal welfare, but also decrease the cost such that this food is accessible to developing countries. The $1 million question is then, how do we do it? And that is exactly the question we are trying to address with my PhD thesis. More specifically, we are concerned about the access to animal protein. And we have to remember that we live in a world that is being collected everywhere around us, in many different fields, and agriculture is no different than that. And what we do in my PhD thesis is that we take all that data and then utilize and develop tools to integrate that data with different variables such as weather variables, economic variables, and also management variables. And we use machine learning and statistical tools to try to extract important information from that data and understand how it relates to the amount of meat that we produce, with the quality of that meat, with the welfare conditions in which those animals were raised, and also with the costs related to the system. The objective in the end of the day is really to be able to give advice to the farmer on how they can optimize their systems. How can we give the system the least amount of input and obtain the largest amount of output, guaranteeing sustainability for the planet, really? And also, how can we raise those animals in better conditions and reduce the environmental footprint by having a system in which we can finish those animals earlier? We believe that is looking at the past that we can understand what worked and what did not, and we can learn and improve our future. And we also believe that science has an important role to play in addressing the challenge of agriculture with knowledge. And we are happy to leave our contribution to the planet. Thank you.